All right, Nisha the PA, we are live.
Hey guys, it's Nisha the PA over here at Dr. Emer's office, and today we are doing one of my kind of a combination of my favorite treatments. This is the Pixel 8 by Roar Aesthetics. Now let me tell you a little bit about the Pixel 8 and why I love it. Number one, it really is kind of a combination between two of my favorite lasers, which is the Fractora and then also the Morpheus 8. Remember with the Fractora, we really use it for texture, resurfacing, and then the Morpheus 8, we really use it for skin laxity, face, neck, and really all over the body. So the Pixel 8 is kind of a combo, and I'll tell you exactly why. Number one, it can do both. So if you want to resurface some acne, scarring, or fine lines and wrinkles, and then at the same time you want to go ahead and tighten the skin, then I definitely recommend that you do the Pixel 8. What it is what we've talked about before, which is the microneedling with radio frequency. I'll show you guys the little pins. Gold-plated pins, and so what it does is deliver that radio frequency energy, and at the same time it's remodeling the skin by producing these little micro holes, and of course your body's going to resurface those holes, and you're going to get more collagen, you're going to get more elastin, and overall your skin will be smoother. Now I tell you guys all the time that I'm starting on the forehead, but the forehead is the most spiciest. My patient can attest to that. He is such a trooper. But the forehead is spicy. It tends to get a little bit better as we kind of go along. But once you work past this, it's kind of go, right, guys? We can do this, like, as I mentioned, on the forehead, the face, the neck, really other parts of the body. It's a relatively quick procedure. What we do is a little bit of numbing beforehand, and then we go ahead and do your treatment, which takes really no more than about 15-20 minutes. So super quick procedure in office. You can see that you get a little bit of pinpoint bleeding, which is to be expected. That pinpoint bleeding does go away.
So someone's asking, is this microneedling? Guys, this is microneedling with radio
frequency. Do not forget the radio frequency part. That is where all the magic is. Another one of the reasons why I really like the Pixel 8 is because normally with other devices, you kind of have to like pause the device, go over here, switch things around to change the depth if I want to go from treating one area to the other. But with the Pixel 8, it's super easy. I really just turn my dial, and now I'm good to treat the rest of his face because I'm treating at a little bit of a different depth. Makes a little bit of a noise. As I mentioned, the forehead's a little bit more spicy. This feels a little bit better, but still, you feel it, guys.
All right, we're going to ask our nice patient here, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, actually.
Good.
I can feel it, but it's tolerable.
Tolerable.
Yeah.
Good. Now, of course, say for example, you're like, look, Nisha, I am a baby. I don't want to feel anything. What can I do? Like, is there a way where I can still do this treatment and be a little bit more comfortable? And the answer is yes. We can do nerve blocks on you, and that will make the procedure a lot more tolerable. Of course, you may be a little bit swollen afterwards, but it's really a great option if you can handle little to no pain, but you still want to work to take care of maybe some acne scarring, some skin tightening. I'll show you here what my patient suffers from is a little bit of acne scarring along really his mid-face, chin. And so as I mentioned, Pixel 8, it's a great combination of Fractora and Morpheus 8. The Fractora part, that's going to help to remodel some of his acne scars and helps it become smoother.
Someone's asking, a few people ask us, what is the downtime and our aftercare? Guys, our downtime is little to no downtime. You might be a little bit red and swollen for a day, but the next day you are going to be all good to go. Nisha, can you tell about what we can use afterwards to enhance results even more?
Of course. Now, let me tell you guys, little to no downtime, especially with your Emerage Cosmetic skincare. Remember, when you come to our office, not only do we do your treatment, but we also make sure we take care of you 360. We provide you with skincare. We tell you about our skincare routines to make sure you heal the best. One of the great treatments that I really love to combine with something like this, microneedling with radio frequency, is our Aerify kit. Now, Aerify, I'll show you guys here. This is our medical grade at home skincare, which will help. It's more like a complexion brightening kit. This is really great for a lot of my patients that maybe don't have the downtime to do something like a Cosmetic, like a more aggressive peel, but you still want to take care of your skin. The Aerify kit is a great option. Number one, it's perfect for those that are on the go, right? Because even you're not really going to get that super aggressive peel where you are red and swollen and maybe you have to stay inside for a few days or you feel like you want to take some time off from work. But it really will brighten your complexion. The other great thing about the Aerify kit is that honestly, you can really add it on top of this, and what's going to happen is there's a mask that you put on and you leave it on anywhere between 8 to 10 hours. The mask is going to absorb deeper into his skin, giving him better results because we're doing Pixel 8, that microneedling beforehand. So perfect, just like that, we're done with that side of his face. I'm gonna start on his chin. So this is great for all skin tones. We can do it on his skin tone, we can do it on my skin tone. So this is a perfect laser no matter what. Now, remember that when it comes to taking care of your skin, it's really not a one and done type of deal. You really have to combine great skincare with consistent treatment to get the best option. So,
All right, Nisha, someone's asking, I need something for dull skin and blackheads. My skin looks congested. Guys, emeragecosmetics.com. We have tons of products on there for you, and you can get a virtual skincare consultation to make sure you are getting the best products for your skin.
yeah, so we can do consultations in the office. We have amazing estheticians here that will help to take care of some of the dullness. And honestly, for you, the Aerify kit is perfect. It's a complexion brightening kit. You look glowy, your skin looks refreshed with doing an Aerify kit. We can apply it in the office. If you want a deeper peel, like I mentioned, we can do something like a microneedling, whether it's Pixel 8 or you want to do regular microneedling. I like this better because the radio frequency makes it a whole lot better, but we can do regular microneedling as well.
So asking, why are we using goggles, guys? Our patient did not like our bright lights. We have some bright overhead lights and our lights that we use for filming.
So no goggles are needed, but yes.
We did it for our patient's comfort, guys.
So a little more to the left, perfect. So you're going to need anywhere between, on average, about 3 to 6 treatments of the Pixel 8. You can really do them every 3 to 4 weeks, sometimes a little bit sooner. Like as I mentioned, this is really going to help both with resurfacing, so acne, scarring, fine lines, and wrinkle, but also skin tightening. And as you get older, you really start to have a little bit more sagging, and that kind of shows our age. So if you want to be preventative, you can go ahead and do this. But also, if you already have loose skin, this is also a great option. A lot of my patients are younger and they kind of just want to deposit some collagen inside the collagen bank. So therefore, they just age more gracefully.
Nisha, we have a few questions going on right now. People asking, is our patient awake? Yes, guys, he's awake.
He's awake.
He's being a great patient.
So comfortable.
He is awake.
All right,
guys,
and
promise.
people are asking, what is this procedure and what is our post care for Pixel 8?
Okay, so remember, this is Pixel 8 by Aurora Aesthetic. It's a combination of microneedling with radio frequency, and you can use it both for textural issues and also skin tightening. What the aftercare would be, of course, you want to kind of avoid working out for 24 hours because you're going to have these open pores, but that's another great option is you want to make sure you use all of your great serums after this because it's going to absorb really nicely into the skin. We're talking about things like Hyla B that we have here at the office, AOXC, all of those great things will work really well in aftercare along with Refit Face and Anti-Age Serum. Refit Face is a concentration of peptides and Anti-Age is a concentration of stem cells. You can use it after laser or every single day. I love using those products.
We have a couple compliments from Nisha the PA. Someone said she's doing an amazing job
Thank
covering
you.
all the areas.
Thank you. Y'all, I am so, I like doing a good job. I like my patients to get really good results. So I take my time. I make sure you're comfortable. And yes, I want to make sure I cover all the areas. I'm going to have you tuck your upper lip. Okay, a little bit spicy up here. Okay?
Nisha, do you have to have a shaved face for this?
No, you don't need a shaved face. Really quick, I'm sorry. You don't need a shaved face for this. Now, if you have a thick beard, then you may want to shave it down just a little bit, but you can see you can have a little bit of facial hair and it's totally fine. Not a problem. It won't affect the hair at all. In actuality, if you want to apply a little bit of PRP after this, microneedling with PRP is really great for hair loss, with maintaining a nice, thick, full hairline. So if you can get double treatment, do PRP after this, which will also help with healing. PRP is that concentration of your own growth factors. All right, guys, so I'm just about done. I'm going to go ahead and finish them up. If you guys have any questions, you know how to get in touch with me. DM me, email us, first name, last name, email address, and phone number. And I would love to have you guys in the office. We offer this treatment and many more treatments at the office, no matter what your skin issues may be, whether it's anti-aging, laxity, or just textural concerns. Once again, it's Nisha the PA at Dr. Emer's office. And until next time, I'll see you then. Bye, guys. Save that for me.